Let's talk about admin panels. So every company, no matter how big they are or what they do, has some set of manual actions that they need to take on their data, and that usually happens in an admin panel. So for example, take Airbnb. Whenever they have a support request where they need to change a booking or cancel a booking, or when Stripe has a payment that they need to refund or cancel, that kind of work happens inside of an internal admin panel. So because every company is different, every admin panel is different, and they have to get built from scratch in-house, and they end up looking something like this. Probably not going to win any design awards, but there's actually a bigger problem here, which is that building an admin panel like this is a massive waste of resources. On average, tech companies spend 1/3 of all of their engineering time building and maintaining these admin panels. That's crazy to me. That's time that should be spent building the company's actual product. So there are companies that are trying to solve this by looking at the build process and trying to make it easier or faster. But in my opinion, the goal should be to take the build process and eliminate it entirely. And so that's why we built Basedash, the admin panel you don't have to build. So with Basedash, there's no coding, there's no dragging and dropping to build an interface. All you have to do is connect your data, invite your team, and generate an admin panel in one click. Basedash does all the hard work for you. So you might be wondering, how does this even work? Because I just mentioned that admin panels are totally unique. Well, it's possible because we're able to use generative AI to understand the structure of your data and then automatically build an interface around that. So the crazy part about all of this is that it actually works. We have customers ranging from social networks to online classrooms, all the way to physical warehouses that ship parts to aerospace companies. And the only thing in common across all of these companies is that they all got set up on Basedash in less than 5 minutes. So we're just getting started by tackling the biggest segment of internal tools, which is admin panels. But ultimately, we plan to take the same AI-first approach to all kinds of internal tools, making Basedash the operating system for operations. So if any of this is interesting to you, check us out at basedash.com or on Twitter at Basedash. Thanks.